Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zack D Films like videos. To achieve this unique style, you need to prioritize clarity and conciseness in your message. It's all about delivering information quickly and engagingly. We'll dive into how to craft your narrative, optimize your visuals, and master the editing techniques that make these videos so captivating. Get ready to transform your content. A strong narrative is the backbone of any great video. Start with an immediate hook to grab your audience's attention, ideally within the first 5 seconds. Your script should flow logically, guiding viewers through a clear beginning, middle, and end. Remember to keep your sentences concise and impactful, ensuring every word serves a purpose and drives your message forward effectively. Visually, Zack D Films often use dynamic camera movements and a variety of shots to keep things interesting. The editing is fast-paced, relying on quick cuts and seamless transitions to maintain momentum and prevent viewer boredom. Don't forget to strategically incorporate text overlays and graphics. They are crucial for emphasizing key points and adding visual interest without overwhelming the viewer. Finally, sound design and voiceover are paramount. Record your voiceover with energy and clarity, ensuring it's easy to understand. Subtle sound effects and well-chosen background music can significantly enhance the viewer's experience without distracting from your message. Remember, consistency and quality are key to growing your audience. Also, for staying refreshed during your creative process, check out the Ala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below. Keep creating amazing content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.